Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing Ehlers Laguerre filter indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing Ehlers Laguerre filter indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So, to date, we have tested 345 indicators, and out of those 345 indicators, 140 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 140 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Also, to date, we have tested 18 total strategies, with 3 of those being winners. Alright, so back to today's indicator. So today's indicator is Ehlers Laguerre filter indicator. I think I'm saying Laguerre right. Maybe not. Nonetheless. Alright, so basically we can see on screen here that we have this main line, and then we have a signal line. And it looks like when the signal line drops below the main colored line, it switches from green to red, and then when it pops back up above that main colored line, it then goes from red to green. And it, in classic cheat country kind of style, the creator of the indicator, he made it to where it also changed the color of the candles. And so we're going to go in and turn that off by popular request. And we are just going to look at the switch. And I think what I might actually do here is move it to its own pane down there below. No, I should do this beforehand. I always forget to make these small modifications. But let's do this. Let's bump up. There we go. That will make it a little bit easier to see there. And really, we don't even need the black kind of signal line. We just need this main line here. When it goes green, we're going to go long. When it goes red, we're going to go short. Had a little bit of a glitch on the bar replay there for a moment, but it seems to be back in working order. Let's see, did we pick up? Nope, we did not. So just continue on with it here. Looks like we pick up our first signal over here on this side, right? Let's see. There on that one, and it does appear as though it got us to take profit. Just double check it here to be sure. Yep, definitely did not get stopped out on the upside, and it did go on down, getting us to where we needed to be. Alright, over here on this side, we pick up a long signal right there. Let's just measure out a few parts of this here. So 60 to the downside, stayed within our stop. Not too bad, and then got us to take profits. Let's continue with it here, and it looks like over here on this side, we pick up a short, and again, got us to take profit. So far, pretty decent, not bad at all. What I'm going to do is cut out some of the video here so that way things don't get too long, and then we will pick this up when we're a little bit closer to the end of the year. Alright, so we are at the end of the year. Now, before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. Once you sign up for that, it will give you access to the Patreon only channel on the Discord server. It's really good stuff we're posting in there, advanced information, topics, discussions, stuff like that about trading and indicators and so on. Our admin Jay has also put together a rather lengthy list of the winning indicators for the MT platforms, and so if you trade or use the MT platforms quite a bit rather than TradingView, that would be a really handy list for you to have. Our admins and regular members are also posting regular trade ideas, and so almost on a daily basis they're putting up screenshots of charts where they are marking out areas of support, resistance, different indicators that they're using, and so on, showing exactly where they're entering and exiting, taking profit, the whole deal. Really good stuff if you are looking to train your eye to see those ideal market conditions, or if you are trying to dial in a trading strategy. Again, those ideal market conditions are a very good baseline for you to see and dial in strategies. And so, like I said, really good stuff. They're growing small accounts really quickly using that information and the style and market analysis that they're doing. So, and then lastly, a new thing that we're kind of doing is I have put together a list of the strategies that we've been testing, and as well as giving out the list of the indicators that we've tested. I'm also passing on a list of the strategies that we've tested and outline which ones were winners and so on, with links to the videos on those particular strategies. So again, really helpful stuff. Definitely worth it. All right, back to today's indicator. Let's see here. Trying to get everything in focus here. Let's count these out and see what we get out of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 winning trades, and that is going to meet the 60% criteria. This indicator seemed to do a rather decent job. There were times that seemed like it kind of got itself faked out in this area, but that could possibly be filtered out by maybe another indicator or something. But all in all, not a bad indicator at all. This one's going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.